In Ravencoin Cost Forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about RVN to examine the future development of the digital money. Ravencoin current market status. The cost of Ravencoin is 3 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,675,161 at the hour of composing. In any case, RVN has diminished by almost 2.72% as of now. Besides, Ravencoin has a coursing supply of 11,792,126,801 RVN. Ravencoin exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, Huobi Worldwide, and OKX. What is Ravencoin? Ravencoin is the computerized shared network that intends to execute a utilization case explicit blockchain intended to productively deal with the exchange of resources starting with one party then onto the next. Ravencoin expects to tackle the issue of resource move and exchanging over the blockchain. It is safeguarded by the force of decentralization and math. It utilizes a proof-of-work mining calculation called KAWPOW, which supplanted X16R and X16RV2. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2022. The above graph of Ravencoin spread out the climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the basically better upsides and more promising low points separately seem to move inside a rising slant in a significant manner. This example truly is by and large a trait of a bullish pattern. Presently, Ravencoin is in the scope of 3 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of RVN could arrive at the obstruction levels of 7 cents. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of RVN might tumble to 2 cents and 1 cent. Ravencoin backing and opposition levels. The diagram underneath basically shows the help and opposition levels of Ravencoin. The diagrams show that Ravencoin has played out a bullish pattern over the truly past month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, RVN could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at 14 cents. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Ravencoin could in a real sense fall to nearly 1 cent, a negative essentially signal. Ravencoin Value Forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ravencoin really is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of RVN lies underneath the end line, demonstrating feeble members in the very latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Ravencoin is displayed in the diagram above. Remarkably, Ravencoin cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in an upswing. As of now, RVN has in a real sense entered a bullish state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of RVN whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the RVN is 38.58, which is very huge. This implies that Ravencoin basically is by and large almost in an oversold state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of RVN may for the most part happen in the impending days. Along these lines, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Ravencoin Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Ravencoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the truly sure and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Ravencoin. As of now, the ADX of RVN lies in the scope of 15.37267 and consequently, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the general unpredictability file of Ravencoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of RVN lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Ravencoin is at 38.58, subsequently affirming a potential in a real sense sell signal. Correlation of RVN with BTC, ETH. The underneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ravencoin. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of RVN is not at all like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of RVN decreases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of RVN increments. Ravencoin Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Ravencoin could likely explicitly achieve 50 cents by 2023. Ravencoin Value Forecast 2024, or so they thought. With a few overhauls in the organization, Ravencoin could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of in every way that really matters, significant financial backers, RVN could revitalize to hit 70 cents by 2024. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2025. If Ravencoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, RVN would energize to hit 90 cents. Ravencoin Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Ravencoin supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, RVN would revitalize to hit $1. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2027. If Ravencoin supports significant opposition levels and proceeds to generally be perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, RVN would energize to hit $2. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2028, which is genuinely critical. Ravencoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. Incredibly, by driving critical cost rallies, RVN would hit $3 in 2028. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ravencoin, it would observe significant spikes. RVN could hit $4 by 2029. Ravencoin Value Expectation 2030. With kind of more prominent headways in the essential consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into RVN for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Ravencoin could basically hit $5 by 2030 as opposed to prevalent thinking. And, with ceaseless upgrades in the Ravencoin organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for RVN. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Ravencoin in 2022 sort of is 14 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ravencoin cost expectation for 2022 is 1 cent. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the essential consideration pretty symbolic environment, the exhibition of RVN would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 28 cents very soon. Yet, it could likewise by and large reach 30 cents in the event that the financial backers accept that RVN is a genuinely wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Ravencoin? Ravencoin is an Ethereum token that controls the Ravencoin convention, a computerized market creator that allows anybody to make or add liquidity to exchanging pools while procuring adjustable exchanging expenses. 2. Where could you at any point buy RVN? Ravencoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, Huobi Worldwide, and OKX. 3. Will RVN come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the RVN stage, it has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon, or so they thought. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Ravencoin? On February 20, 2021, RVN arrived at its new all-time high of 28 cents. 5. Is RVN a wise interest in 2022? Ravencoin is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of RVN in the beyond couple of months, RVN is viewed as an especially wise interest in 2022. 6. Could Ravencoin reach 30 cents? Ravencoin is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish